Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On-Time, On-Target play of the day. You have four screens in front of you on the TD Ameritrade ThinkPipes platform. All our one-minute charts. Starting on the left with the S&P 500, we have two longs in Moderna and FUBO TV, and then we have our one short of the day over in DD. I am not excited about any of these yet, so we'll see how it is after the market. All right, there's the loudest bell in the world, marking the market open for today. So again, you have Moderna up 5%. FUBO up 5%, and you have DD down 4%. So fitting our numbers there. DD was down a little bit earlier. Okay, I do like the sell-off. I think FUBO is a little easier to trade here. So the low of the day is 2,700. Normally you would take this at about 27.25. That's changing there in FUBO, which I like. Again, the more when you have longs that are selling off hard, as long as they turn around, you let them set the bottom of the day, and then you take them back higher. Again, I think FUBO, has a higher, more of a snapback, if you will. 26.65, so 26.95. It's right at that 26.95 right now. Thinking about taking it, but 200,000 shares. All right, let's take it at, again, 26.95. We'll wait for it to go higher to 26.95. There it is, 26.95, 26.97 if you got into a little bit late. 26.65 is the low of the day. So it's a 30-cent stop. So do all your math based off of 30 cents. We are going long here. You can still take it here. It's still in that ballpark of it. So 20, to make myself math hard on myself this morning, 26.95 plus 30. Let's go 27.25, where it's already at right now. Another 30 cents is 27.55, which is right here. And our exit point of the day would be 27.85, which is off the chart. Let's go find it. I can't quite get there, so we'll have to just wait for that to happen. So again, entered the trade at 26.95, 30-cent stop. We're in the green. We'll see. Just keep an eye on that trade. Do have your stop in, though. This thing, as you've seen day to day, these things can flip and pop you out of them pretty quick, and you don't want to take the risk to the downside. However, power and higher here, I like it. 27.85 is your stop to the upside. So again, we'll keep an eye on that. All right, DD is too strong. It's just power and higher. People are buying it here because what's the long-term thesis in DD? I don't know. Chinese middle class, largest in the world, 6 times bigger than ours, and it's a ride-sharing program in an environment like that. Yeah, pretty tough not to make money. You would have to try to not make money to be in that situation. So that's why I like it. All right, let's take a look at some other names as we're watching our trade power higher here. Another long name, MGI, which is MoneyGram International. All right, 27.85 is our exit point. It hit that. So if you had that set in, you are now out. So let's go ahead and review that trade for a 3-hour trade. So we watched the market open. We talked about the market going all the way down here. It was moving down pretty quick. Both of our longs, selling off. What is that? That's profit taking, right? So the market opens. People go, you know what? I made a whole bunch of money overnight from this gapping up. I'm going to take profits. Well, that's a bunch of selling. So it goes down here. It sets the exact low at 26.69. You pad that by a few cents. And math that you can do on the fly, which again, you've seen me mess up math more than anybody. But I'd like to say I'm somewhat good at it, but it's still hard to do, right? So 26.65 was our math. We set a 30-cent stop. We caught it in here, bought at 26.95. We took it 1, 2, 3R, and we're out at 27.85. This is not a name I would hold, a portion of the shares or whatever. I would be happy with a 3R trade and get out and call it a Friday and move on with the life, which is the beauty of being a trader, is you can make her, whether you make your 3R or you lose an R first thing in the morning, you're done for the day and you can move on to whatever it is you want to do with the rest of your time. All right, so that's a nice trade there. All right, let's look at some other names. iBio was another name we're going to look at long. Here's where it was earlier. Obviously, it's a tough price point to trade, just because your stop is going to be like a cent or 2 cents, right? That's more scalping stuff, and it's pretty advanced. If you're going to do scalping, you kind of need to program a computer. You don't need to. I would recommend you program a computer to do it, because it's going to happen so fast. You're not going to be able to sit and watch it, kind of like we are here. Okay. That's it for the trades. Let's go ahead and bounce out to some of our faves. What do you think? Lug and coffee, up or down? Up a little bit. Okay, I'll take that. Up to 1360. You know, this is chart is yep, you know, good days and bad days, right? Hanging out around 9 for a long time. Started rocking higher, touched 1570, and then now it's back in this range. Well, obviously